Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you how to use your iPad as a second monitor, but before that you need to make sure that you have these specific requirements for your iPad or MacBook. Once you do, after that you're going to go to your MacBook and then go to your system preferences. Once you open that, on the bottom left you're going to click displays, and then again on the bottom left it's going to say add display. So once you do the drop down, it'll have your iPad there, so you just click that, and after you do, it's going to bring up another window here which shows like the orientation of where you want to keep your iPad as a second monitor, so you can move it around wherever you feel it's best. I like it on the left side, so I'll just keep it there. Once it's there, you'll see that my iPad's home screen is now the same wallpaper as my MacBook, so you can bring over your Safari window there and do side-by-side surfing. So you can open up YouTube on one side, just like go to gaming, and then play a video there, and on the right side again it's pretty seamless. You can take the windows back and forth and it's easy to use. So yeah, once you have the required devices, just make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi with the same Apple ID logged in and handoff turned on, and it's pretty simple and straightforward to use Sidecar, which is the official term for it, and that's all there is to it really. So that's it. Thanks for watching.